Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. And you guys are asking, where is the Mach 1 reveal video? Where is the Mach 1 period? It's right here. Nothing much has been going on with it. I just got it painted and I was planning on making this big extravagant reveal video for you guys, but that is not going to work out. And I want to explain to you guys why. I just want to go ahead and say this. All of this that happened was a freak accident. No one intended for this to happen at all. So here we go. In this video, I had 3 people that's supposed to be in this video. I had 2 of my co-workers, which is Brandon and Sean, and Jared, which is the guy that has the blue Challenger. While we was writing out scripts and trying to figure out how we was gonna do the video and what we was gonna do with the video, the plan for the video was for me to have my own paint shop, and somebody was breaking in to take this car. And then once they took that car, I had all my friends, which is Brandon, Sean, and Jared, to come meet up at the shop with me to figure out who stole the car. And it turns out to be my wife, who's getting it detailed for the reveal. That was the main thing about the video. Now, trying to figure that out, we was trying to figure out what me, Jared, Sean, and Brandon was going to do. In the start of making the video, I don't know what happened. I don't know if he was tired or for staying up all night. I don't know. I don't exactly know what he was planning or what he was trying to do, but Sean actually passed away in a car wreck on the way to work. That was kind of rough, and not only was it rough for us, but it was rough on how we was going to do it without him. That was tough because we really wanted him to be in the video, but I mean, under the circumstances, we couldn't have him in the video. Fast forward through time, it got to the point where we're actually starting to get the video done. We're actually starting to get first part of the clips done. While we was trying to make the clip, Jared's little brother, Jordan, actually passed away as well from a firearm accident. And that was really tough on the whole family, to the point where Jared was actually living with me for a couple of days. So of course there was no videos put out, there was no anything really going at the moment. That's why I was making a bunch of short videos, and that's all I really had on there, because it was all old videos that I already took, and some of it was new, but the majority of it wasn't just me in the picture. Me and Jared was working out another thing that we can do, maybe a tribute to him and a tribute for Sean. So in the meantime of us trying to figure out what we gonna do, Jared's grandma actually passed away due to a heart attack. And again, that was rough on us because it was literally a week after Jordan's passing. Not to mention, earlier this year, Jared's mom passed away. So it was definitely hard on the family. So instead of really making videos, I kind of converted my time to making sure their family was okay, because I mean, they're part of my family as well, and I wanted to make sure that they was okay. While that was happening, Brandon ended up catching COVID from his grandma. Thankfully, Brandon don't have COVID anymore, but we found out that his grandma actually passed away. So that was really tough on him, to the point where he did not want to do anything. And I completely understand his situation. It was very tough for us, because his family is pretty much like my family as well. So at this point, I'm starting to think to myself, well, we probably just need to go ahead and just stop trying to make this video. It's not going to work out. It's really no point because of what's going on. And I was getting to the point of starting to give up. Jared was telling me I shouldn't give up. My mom's telling me I shouldn't give up. My wife, a couple of friends at work's telling me that I shouldn't give up. If I didn't want to do it for myself, do it for Jordan, do it for Sean, because those are the people that wanted to see the video. So I did what they told me to do, and we tried to continue on with the video. We already had stuff planned out and stuff that we was going to do and how we was going to go about it. Friday, October 8th. That was pretty much the changing point of the video. So I was at work last night. I was talking to Jared about the video and what we was gonna do about it. We was planning on recording for this weekend because I was off Saturday and I was also off Sunday. And one of my coworkers, while I was at work, came up to me and asked me, hey, have I seen this wreck? The first thing I saw was a blue Challenger. So in my head, I immediately called Jared. He didn't pick up. I called his dad. He didn't pick up. And then I called his grandma. She didn't pick up. So I called my wife and I asked her, can she go and make sure that his car is at the house? Because Jared's car was still getting ready to be tuned and he didn't want to drive it. Today he decides to drive it. He ended up getting into a wreck. Jared passed away that morning. At that point I felt lost because he was my best friend, one of my best friends. I knew then I couldn't keep going with this. I was lost. And to top it all off, I also found out 2 days later my grandma actually passed away. My great grandma passed away. So I'm in this weird, I wouldn't say numb feeling, but I'm in this weird feeling with everything right now. I wanted to update you guys on what's going on and the reason why you haven't been seeing good videos from me. I will show you the updates of what's going on with the car, what's going on with the Fox body, and other projects I have going on. So let me go ahead and show you that. So first things first, this is Onyx. And the new cat that's been hanging around the neighborhood. And you guys know Cookie. She's been here for a while. She's eating right now. And guys, this is a quick clip of the car. It looks pretty good. I will have a reveal video on that, but not right now. I also pulled back out the moped, so that is going to be the new pit bike for, I will show you guys in a minute of why this is going to be the new pit bike. As you can see, my garage is a mess because I'm actually working on something. There's a bunch of fenders. There's a winch. The reason why is because we have a car trailer now. I got it from Lindsay's grandparents. I got it for free. It'd been sitting in their back of the shop for about 10 years. There's the Fox body back there. And I got a lot of plans for the Fox body, and I will show you that in a few minutes. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to repaint it, take off some of this rust off of it and repaint it, make it look good, put new tires on it, put new flooring, and do something else with the winch and lower it down or something like that. Now, onto the Fox body. If you haven't seen one of my short clip videos, all right, we in the shed right now, but we actually got quite a bit of goodies for the Fox body. Yep. Got a hydro handbrake from Twisted Images with the Willwood master cylinder on there. Got a couple of new brake calipers. Yes, can I help you? And I want to say thank you to Daniel for giving me those brake calipers. We also got the dual brake caliper set up and bracket. It's the wire that's kind of bringing it around over here. We also got the handbrake mount from Scotty. I also got modified A-arms or lower control arms and cut knuckles for more angle for the Fox body. So we're gonna put those on there. We actually gonna plan on drifting it. And it's not gonna be like a normal drift thing, like where we just gonna do nothing but drifting. But my plan is to do what Ken Block did with his Mustang, which was Gymkhana. That's the new build for the channel. Is we're gonna plan on Gymkhana. I don't even know how to say it. We're planning on autocrossing the Fox body, drifting the Fox body, and honing the Fox body, I guess what you could say. So I'm sorry about that video that I had to make. I know it was kind of upsetting, but there's some bright sides to what's going on as well. Oh, and also my sister got a new cat. Her name is Sadana, and she is as sweet as can be. So that's a good play partner for Milo. Oh yeah, and guys, there's also a lesson to be learned about 2021. People come, people go. Don't hold grudges. And if you haven't talked to that person in a while, pick up the phone and call them. Even if you're holding a grudge with them, don't hold that grudge. Let it go. It's not worth it. Enjoy the time that you have with these people. Like I said, a lot of it was the freak accident, so it was very unexpected, but at least I was able to see them. At least I was able to talk to them. At least I was able to essentially say goodbye. Make sure you guys just call that one person or two or three. Make sure you call them up and just make sure they're okay, because you never know what somebody's going through. You never know what's going on in their lives. So call them, give them a check, say what's up, ask them if they're good. But that's it, guys. That's gonna be the end for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will be posting out a video soon. I don't know if it's gonna be the trailer reveal or the rebuild of the trailer or the reveal for the 1998 Mach 1. But make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified when that video comes out. Check out the description below for any merchandise or what equipment I use or anything that you're interested about. Everything will be down in the description. But that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video, all right?